Kaladai ke Jingrakhe ke banyo senem kenti. Kabadai haka ar penriu tarik ukala lengkot araja ar penriu ya ke Republik D ke babarok kawai kari India kala yo Rakhe kerpang ya ketiga sengi krau ke jongka. Ka Pynursla Civil Subdivision ru kala yo Rakhe syongkun ya ketiga sengi krau. Haka ni ke sengi la yo perlong ya ke Jingrakhe haka lempung ya lekai ha UPSC Stadium Pynursla haka ba ukong san ubadai UMLA ke Nongstoiñ constituency uba Gabriel Walang ulai yo kentiu ya kala malai rong jongkari. Bat bud la yo tem don buram da kajing tem jong kajing Roy National Anthem jongkari badadin bud sa kajing ya syak pahra badan buram nalor kini la yo ruban pensngau ya kajing thok batikna halor kajing ya linti jong ka sarkar jela badadin la yo ka march pas naki pulit bat kentup naki santliki school. Nalor kini kila don susu ruki cultural program kum karwai kasiau bat kasyat ka badan jingmut ha ka bayade bat kari bat kisipai ki badai kinong yadari bat susu ruka jingsyat ka bapen e ka jingruspa ha ka culture ukasi bat kiwi day ha ka bayade bat ka cultural program lajit kensai ya kasin Antunes Opa Primary School and Secondary School Pynursla bakalade kala du ha ka ni ka benta namar ka jing tubit ban pen e ka sap ka bakarpang ha ka bayade bat ka ni ka Republic Day. Kasing Antunes kala yo ya ka khusnam lembat ka bawan baar kadai ka Riwar College Pynursla bat ka balai kadai ka Asurfi Academy Pynursla. Haka bayadai bat ka match pas lasam khusnam bakini ki khusnam ki dei hakilai benta bala pensyong dor kata haka kedan beningkong baar bat balai ka bala poi hak liar du bat ka bala pensyok bit ya ki pan nong petkai kadai ka Nema Children Home Girls Contingent kadai haka kedan beningkong bat ka babut asnda jong kani kadai ka St. Anthony's Opa Primary School and Secondary School Boy Contingent haka kedan baar bat nang tadi haka kedan balai kadai ka Nema Children's Home Boys Contingent nalor ukongsan haka tiga sengi uba Gabriel Walang ubadai UMLA ka Nongstoiñ constituency layadon lang ru SDO ka Pynursla Civil Subdivision uba Ji Warjeri bat nakaliang katrat Pynursla Police Department kinong sensasnong bat raj kinong hikai bat kiri upay ba kilawan ban sakhi siya katika program.
Indian politician and the current member of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, representing the Nongstoiñ constituency in the West Khasi Hills district of Meghalaya. He is also the advisor to the government of Meghalaya, mining, geology and PhD. He holds a master degree, remains the foundation of our democracy and guides. Ladies and gentlemen, we are honored to have with us our Honorable Chief Guest, Gabriel Walang. May I now invite him to address the gathering on this historic occasion. Who joined the service since 16th of August 1994 as constable, promoted to Havildar in June 2010 and later promoted to ABSI in December 2025. He is also assisted by Platoon Commander Havildar Sanshul Armarak, who joined the service on the 6th of November 2000. Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause for the contingent from the District Executive Force as they take the salute at the saluting dais, led by Parade Commander ABSI Zakhar Sangma and Platoon Commander Havildar Sanshul Armarak. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the moment we all have been waiting for. The first position in the March Past Parade goes to the neighbor children, scoring 121 points on this Republic Day. A huge round of applause once again for the winning contingent. The third prize goes to Sophie Academy School. A huge round of applause for the Sophie Academy School. The second position award goes to Rewar College. A huge round of applause for Rewar College. May I request the team to kindly come forward to collect the prize. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the first position in the cultural program. A loud applause for the champion, the St. Anthony's UPM Secondary School, scoring 27 points. Ladies and gentlemen, session the Jingrakhe of the St. Anthony's UPM Secondary School. Thank you, sir.